Hi, my name is Jane Davey and I'm a research associate at CSU working for the Specialty Crops program under Dr. Mark Uchansky. I'm new to the program and just started this year in March, and so just wanted to introduce myself briefly. I'm not new to agriculture in general. I've worked for other universities and for private industry in the past. So we're out here in our organically certified section of our farm at Ardec South for CSU. And what you're looking at here is the Novik winter squash trial, and our tomato trial for Novik is also down in these high tunnels over here. And we have peppers that are right next to us on the left here. And this whole block of land has been certified to be organic, and the idea is to actually breed plants and seeds for growers in organically certified soil, and then have seed be produced also in organically certified soil, so that these different varieties are experiencing the different difficulties that they would be in an organic system, which is very different than a conventional system. So we're very lucky to have this farm to do our research on. And what this project is it's an actual collaboration between farmers and between researchers and plant breeders. And the idea is to give more seed availability and more seed evaluation information to organic growers. Right now, the organic growers aren't able to choose from as many varieties as the conventional growers are, and we're trying to have universities with plant breeders and individual seed alliances with plant breeders come together and evaluate some of the organic varieties that are out there and breed new ones that aren't out there yet. So what I'm standing in front of today is our winter squash trial, and we have about, I think, 13 different varieties in here, and we're just trying to figure out which ones are more resistant to disease, which ones are more resistant to insects, which ones yield better, all in our growing condition in Colorado. And that's part of this project as well, is to actually look at these varieties in the local environments around the country and compare them. As I said before, it's a collaboration, and there's many universities that are involved. CSU is one of them, but also Washington State University, University of Wisconsin, Madison, Cornell University, and Oregon State University are all part of this program as well. And also the Organic Seed Alliance is one of the seed companies that's involved. And if you'd like, I can show you a little bit closer some of the different varieties we're looking at today. So what we're looking at here is a pretty good example of one of the reasons that we're doing this variety trial. Right here up in the front, you see some very wilted plants, and this is from squash bugs that have been a big problem this year in our field. But there's definitely differences that we're seeing in our Colorado environment between varieties. So this is the end of one plot right here, and all of these plants have wilted from the squash bug. And in the next plot, you see that the plants haven't been infected. And they could get infected later on in the season, but as of right now, this variety is doing a lot better than this one. And you can see that there was small fruit developing here, but this will never get to maturity. And obviously this isn't something a grower wants to see in his field. He wants to see something like this. So we're just offering real life, local information about different varieties that are out there for organic production. What we're looking at here is our Novik pepper trial. And we're looking for peppers that are early maturing, that are high yielding, and just do well in the Colorado environment. And this one here, you can see, has these developing Anaheim type peppers.